A normal size pickup truck these days, like the Ram 1500, can be 6,400 pounds. A normal heavy duty truck like the F250 can weigh in at over 7,600 pounds. And although these monstrosities may seem barbaric to the people that live in parts of the world with strict pedestrian safety standards, the US buys them up like crazy. Even the people who have absolutely no need for a truck will get them because they want the biggest, baddest thing on the road. To drive this point home even more, in the US you can go out and get something like this International CXT, which weighs in at a whopping 14,500 pounds.